Ear strengthening for sinuses, mouth, tongue, teeth, and gums. Strengthen the frontal sinus, ethmoid sinuses, maxillary sinus, and sphenoid sinus. Individually, separately, and the combination altogether. Strengthen palatoglossus, styloglossus, inferior longitudinal muscle of tongue, genioglossus, myohyoid, geniohyoid, larynx, trachea, esophagus, inferior pharyngeal constrictor, hyoid bone, hyoglossus, middle pharyngeal constrictor, stylohyoid, superior pharyngeal constrictor, posterior belly of digastric, mastoid process, and styloid process. Strengthen upper lip, gum, hard palate, soft palate, alveolar, tongue, gum, and lower lip. Strengthen nasal cavity, palate, oral cavity, soft palate at the back. Strengthen lips, jaw, tongue, pharynx, epiglottis, larynx opening into pharynx, esophagus, larynx, and lungs. Strengthening the salivary glands, strengthen the parotid duct, parotid salivary gland, submandibular salivary gland, submandibular duct, sublingual salivary gland, and opening of submandibular duct, lingual frenulum, and sublingual ducts. Strengthening the tongue. Strengthen the root of the tongue, the body of the tongue, the fungiform papillae, foliate papillae, velate papillae, terminal sulcus, palatine tonsil, lingual tonsils, and epiglottis. Strengthening the intrinsic muscles of the tongue, the buccinata muscle, first molar, styloglossus muscle, hyoglossus muscle, genioglossus muscle, mandible, sublingual gland, submandibular gland, mylohyoid muscle, and the hyoid bone. Strengthen epiglottis, palatopharyngeal arch, lingual tonsils, palatine tonsils, foliate papillae, fungiform papillae, dorsum of tongue, median sulcus of the tongue, circumvallate papillae. Strengthen epiglottis, median glossoepiglottic fold, root, lingual follicles, palatine tonsil, terminal sulcus, valate papillae, median sulcus, and apex. Filiform papillae, fungiform papillae, palatoglossal arch, foramen cecum, lingual tonsil, palatopharyngeal arch. Strengthen the circumvallate papillae, strengthen connective tissue, strengthen the tongue epithelium, fungiform papillae, filiform papillae, taste bud, mucus secreting glands. Strengthen valate papillae, lingual tonsil, the crypts, the ducts of the glands, the lymph follicles, the mucus glands, the taste buds, the pharos, the lingual glands, the intrinsic muscle. Strengthen the taste bud, sustentacular cells, pores, taste cells, connective tissue, the squamous epithelium. Strengthen fungiform papillae and cornified tips of papillae. Strengthen the tooth. Strengthen enamel, dentine, gingiva, or the gums. Strengthen the pulp cavity. Strengthen the nerves. Strengthen cementum. Strengthen dentinal tubules, periodontal ligaments, root canals, bones, nerve and blood vessels, apical foramen. Strengthen the entire root of the tooth, and strengthen all the roots of the teeth. Strengthen the neck, and strengthen the crown. So this is the teeth, the upper row and the lower. So for the tooth 1, 16, 17, 32, that corresponds to the heart and the small intestine. Strengthen the teeth 1, 16, 17, 32, that corresponds to circulation, sex, triple warmer, endocrine. For all of these, strengthen and delete all the weaknesses and loneliness, acute grief, humiliation, feeling trapped, inhibition, lack of joy, greed, feeling unlovable. Delete all of that. Strengthen to have or have not, and strengthen for neutrality. P2, P3, P28, P29, SP14, SP15, SP20, SP21. teeth 2, 3, 14, 15, 21, 20, 28, 29. Strengthen the spleen, pancreas, and stomach that is corresponding to the teeth. Delete all anxiety, self-punishment, brokenness, broken power, hatred, low self-worth, and obsession. Delete all of that. Strengthen to reset. For the teeth 4, 5, 12, 13, 18, 19, 30, and 31, that corresponds to the lung and large intestine, was strengthened. Delete all chronic grief over critical sadness, controlling, feeling trapped, being dogmatic, compulsive, and uptight. Delete all of that. Strengthen tooth and teeth 6, 11, 22, and 27, corresponding to liver and gallbladder. Delete all anger, resentment, frustration, blaming, cannot take action, manipulation. Delete all of those. Strengthen teeth 7, 8, 9, 10, 23, 24, 25, 26. Strengthen the kidney and the bladder. Strengthen and delete all fear, shame, guilt, broken will, shyness, helplessness, and deep exhaustion. Delete all of that and strengthen the organs to reset.